And welcome to the channel. Damian Jackson here, back with another video. NASA, man. Like, I don't care what you call me. Call me crazy, call me conspiracy theorist, whatever. NASA they rub me the wrong way. There's something about them, man. Got an article here from the New York Post. NASA releases audio recordings of first wind sounds on Mars. Like, why? Right? Why? And then you look at the pictures like, oh wow, that's Mars. Why does Mars look like Arizona with a red tint filter? That's just me. Don't get mad at me. I'm just saying, man. Like, I'm supposed to believe that's Mars, right? I guess it's a red rocky planet with a red tint atmosphere. Why does it look like Arizona, bro? It looks like Nevada. Like flying over, going into Las Vegas or something, man. I don't know. I'm sorry. It's just, come on, bro. Like, it releases the wind audio, wind sounds. That's what you got. If you don't, if it's not about aliens, I don't give a shit. It's not about the structures, any anomalies, anything like that. Only reason I'm making this video because it's funny. Because it's funny. Audio recordings of wind sounds. Wind, because that's what they're doing. I thought they were looking for historic microbial life. Let's see. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory released 2 historic art. I'm sorry. Historic. This is historic. Says who? Historic to who? Recent recorded modern history that we want to talk about? That's how historic it is? Because I never heard it for the first time. You never heard it for the first time, so it must be historic. I guess that's what history is. Oh, that's what historic goes. Whatever, man. So they heard the winds. They heard wind blowing on the surface of Mars. It says in the first audio clip recorded using the Perseverance Mars rover, 2 microphones, listeners can hear wind. In their post on SoundCloud. Wait. They posted this to SoundCloud? They posted wind sounds on SoundCloud. They're fucking with us, man. They're fucking with us. SoundCloud. And you're going to post wind sounds from Mars. Why not on a YouTube channel? Right? Why not just throw on your Twitter page or something? Facebook. Why SoundCloud? I was just pointing it out. I'm sure there's reasons. It's kind of odd to me. That's all I'm saying. And it says they obtained the audio from the instrument on February 19th, around 18 hours after landing on the planet's Jezero crater. But it's March 11th. It's March 11th, bro. What is this article from? Is this from today? Yeah, it's from today. So what? Okay. Let's see what else it says in here. In the second clip, listeners can hear the laser impacts on a rock target in audio that was taken on March 2nd. Why are they giving us these crumbs? Why is it just giving this trickle a little bit of information, man? We want full disclosure. I don't want this little crumb information, man. I want to hear a laser impacting a rock, bro. Like, I could go to the desert and hear that shit. Tell me something that's interesting to hear on Mars, bro. I don't want to hear wind sounds. Oh my god. Okay, so the first audio recording for sound on Mars. I think I already have this tab. Yeah, I have this tab up. Let's listen to it real quick. Okay, that's fucking wind. Oh yeah, that sounds. Whew. Oh man, that sounds a lot, right? You know, sounds like wind, huh? This recording was made by the SuperCam instrument on NASA's Perseverance Mars rover on February 19th. Blah blah. Okay, well shit. Okay. Let's check out the other one. Okay, they post on their Twitter, but they post up a link to SoundCloud. I guess that's a good place to put audio, right? I shouldn't be knocking them. I'm going to though, because it's funny. That's how this. Let's hear how this sounds. First acoustic recording of laser shots. If it's not lasers from Cyclops or something like that, or it's like I don't know, give me a Kano laser or something. Like give me Superman laser sound effects. Like it's just lasers. All right. Can y'all hear that shit? What the fuck? Why? Why are you doing this, man? This variations in the intensity of the zapping sounds will provide information on the physical structure of the targets, such as the relative hardness or the presence of weathering coatings. Pointless, pointless, pointless. What? Why? 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 Don't talk to me, NASA, until you give me some shit about aliens. Until you give me a real hard, alien-made structure that looks like it's not from natural means. Give me some real information. Stop giving us these little bullshit things that they throw at us. Like, oh look at this. I seen this and I died laughing because I'm like, why, why? I'm hearing wind sounds on Mars. Guess what? As far as I know, wind sounds the same way on every fucking planet. It doesn't matter. Show me something. Give me something serious. You already doctored all your photo images and stuff like that. Give me something serious. How I don't know that you didn't record this in the desert somewhere. I don't know. Give me something that's like gets me excited, like gets me wanting to believe that you guys are actually going to space and doing the things you're doing. Because I'm sorry, it's all kind of suspicious. It's suspicious, man. You can get mad if you want to, but it is what it is. Check out the links in the description. Follow, like, subscribe the channel, blah, 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 whatever. So until next time.
This is a dangerous group that we're